Hey guys, it's Joe B and I'm here at Henderson, Nevada DMV. I showed up about 5 a.m. this morning and there's about, I don't know, 400 or 500 people in line. So on Saturdays they pass out tickets and you got to come early. You got to come early just so you can get a ticket to get in the building for an appointment. Here, that's the DMV, that's the parking lot. So the people at the front of the line have been there since, I don't know, 11 p.m. last night. I showed up about 5. I'm probably about number 200 or so, but we got about 400 or 500 people in line. So if you're moving to Nevada and you've got to get to the DMV, you got to get there early. And you got to get a ticket so you can get in. That's for Saturdays. Otherwise, you have to make an appointment, but this is January 16th and the next appointment is April 14th, so that's not going to work. But make sure you have your smog for your car. Make sure you go to the DMV and you get a VIN inspection. Make sure you have your proof of insurance. And that's when you come back. This is just to get the ticket. Then I come back at my appointment time later today. You see there's all the people lined up and walking. We're just lined up on Stephanie Street to get in. But yeah, make sure you got all your stuff together, guys, because you don't want to have to go through this over and over again. This is Joe B at the Henderson, Nevada DMV. Finally walking. They're starting to pass out the tickets at 7:15, so I've been standing in line about 2 hours. It's not bad, but it was cold. So bring a chair, bring a coat, bring a hat. Unless it's summertime, then don't worry about that. But man, it was icy. Anyway, good luck everybody if you're going through this.